In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Shopify Google Ads, conversions, purchases, add to cart checkouts. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have reliable tracking for key Shopify events flowing straight into Google Ads so you can optimize campaigns with confidence. We'll use Shopify's official integration to keep things simple and code-free. Start by heading to the Shopify App Store from your Shopify admin. In the search bar, look for the official Google and YouTube app. This is the one maintained by Google and built to work seamlessly with Shopify's checkout. Click to install it. Make sure you're logged into Shopify with the right permissions so you can complete the setup without interruptions. Once installed, the app opens a guided setup. Follow the prompts to connect the Google account you use to manage your Google Ads and, if applicable, your analytics properties. Using the same Google account you use for ad campaigns helps keep everything in sync and avoids permission issues. Approve the requested access so the app can create and manage conversion actions on your behalf. Inside the app settings, link the specific Google Ads account you want to send conversions to. If you manage multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you've selected the correct one by checking the account name and ID. It's worth being precise here to prevent data from going to the wrong place. Next, set up conversion measurement. The app will guide you through enabling conversion tracking. You don't need to paste any tags manually, just confirm the options the app presents. This ensures Shopify can securely send event data to Google Ads. The app automatically suggests standard Shopify events as conversion actions, including purchases, add to cart, and checkout started. Review these and confirm. These are the core touchpoints you'll use to measure performance and guide bidding strategies in Google Ads. Behind the scenes, the app handles the technical work. It passes important fields like conversion value and transaction IDs to Google Ads, which helps with accurate revenue reporting and prevents duplicate counting. No theme edits or custom code are required. To verify everything, open your Google Ads account and go to Goals, then Conversions. You'll see the new conversion actions listed. Initially, the tracking status may show no recent conversions. That's normal before any activity is recorded. After you run a quick test purchase, give it a bit of time. Within a few hours, the status should switch to recording conversions. Reporting delays are common, so don't worry if it's not instant. Once you see activity, you're all set. Purchases, add to cart, and checkout started events will populate in Google Ads, ready for optimization.